In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Venmo payment not allowed. So if you're having some error about your Venmo payment not allowing you to send it, what you can do is you can just first check what kind of error that you're having. So if it's an error message with no specific instruction, you just need to head over it and make sure that you're connected to a strong internet, be it Wi-Fi or data, and have enough storage or memory available on your device. Now, if you're also using VPN, you can consider turning it off for now, and from in there, just log out of your Venmo account and log back in. It should be able to fix this problem. If not, you can delete the Venmo app and then reinstall it again. So you also need to make sure that your operating system is up to date and make sure that you made all the requirements for using Venmo. So once you have done everything right here, it should be able to fix the problem that you're having. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video will help you